All right, guys. So this is a bonus video that I wanted to just quickly add in here for the course. Um, this video is going to consist of a few different ways, or like a kind of, it's not a super popular thing, but I wanted to share that these are a few ways that you can actually have your land make you money. First thing is you can make money by selling off those trees on your land. If your land is big enough, or you have some nice trees on there, you can look for a timber company and see if they're willing to pay you for your trees. This is an idea that I've thought about, or even planting trees for the long run. Some like cool, like mahogany trees or whatever, depending on where you're located. If you own a good sized piece of land and you have the right trees, you can actually, a timber company will pay you to come and cut down the trees. So that's idea number one. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is you can make money with outdoor parking. So depending on where you are located, there might be a demand for just land that people can park things on. As long as your local county or whatever is okay with that, you can rent out space, outdoor parking space on your piece of land if it's located somewhere nice, where there's like trucking companies that need space to leave their trucks, especially if it's periodically or all the time. So making money with outdoor parking or even outdoor storage is definitely an opportunity, and that can often be simpler than like having to build apartment buildings or things like that. And the other one, which is the simplest one of them all, is Hipcamp. It's a marketplace where you can list your property for people that want to go camp. So if you have like a nice piece of land somewhere that you don't use the entire year, or even if you use, you can allow other people to come and park their RVs and just camp out on your land, and that's another way for you to monetize your piece of